Thanks for stopping by. Okay, I just want to tell you guys about how I decided to go ahead and micro lock my hair. And here's the journey. I started first of all doing some research. I always wanted to lock my hair for the last, I would say about like 6-7 years now. So I've had protective styles and I've cut all my hair off and let it grow back. I did research on the Sister Locs and the Micro Locs, and I had consultations, one consultation, and the price difference between Sister Locs and Micro Locs is quite significant. But I decided to go ahead and do Micro Locs, so I did a do-it-yourself Micro Loc on myself, and I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you guys about it. Okay, so I'm going to take this down so you guys can take a look at and see my locks, or my micro locs here. It's one of the best decisions. This is going on 7 days. I started them last week and it took me 2 days. Could have finished in a day if I started earlier, but I did not. So it took me a little bit to get it done. 10 hours the first day, and then the second day I went into work. I'm a hairstylist by trade, and one of my co-stylists helped me out. So it took about 3 hours in between doing our clients. So I would say about 13 hours to do the micro locs altogether to get them in. Guys, I have hand to hair syndrome. Number one, I can't believe how light this is, and one of the best decisions I've made. I'm going to eventually show you a 360 of what it looks like. The first day I did it and till now. Again, it's only been 7 days that I've had them in. And I pretty much love it. This is not going to be a very long video. I just wanted to show you what I got going on. I do wear my hair out a lot. Well, a lot. I've only had it for a week, but I do wear it out. I'm loving every stage. Even when I finished it, I really loved it because I had it in Bantu knots, and I took it out the first day and went to work, and it was very curly. I really enjoyed it that way. And then when I came home that evening, the curls had already fallen, so I just wet my hands with some water and ran it through, and my ends got really curly. As you can see, my ends. And I did that purposely. I didn't twist them all the way down to the bottom because I actually really do love my curl pattern. I have fine hair, but I have high density or medium density. It's not that thick, but I do appreciate these curls. I know it's not going to be like this always once they start locking. The method that I used was the 2-strand twist. I plaited a little bit on the inside, and I might plug in that video also in between here so you can see what I did. But then after I started off with a little plait, and then I 2-strand twisted it, and then afterwards, after I did a row, then I went back and I interlocked it with the interlocking method. So I do love my ends, and I know they're not gonna stay like this, but I'm enjoying this stage of my hair. I play with it a lot, and I need to stop, I'm pretty sure. I know my ends won't stay this way, but every stage I am going to love. So the next video I'll probably do or put up is my 2-month anniversary. In fact, when I went for my consultation, I couldn't get in with the stylist, with the loctician until October, but I wanted my hair done before October. I just wanted to see how it was gonna look. So spending hours and countless hours on YouTube watching all you guys with beautiful locks, I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna wait, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it myself. So I love them, and just wait for my 2-month video to come out and enjoy the stills and the pictures that you're about to see. Stay locked in. So I decided to color my hair first. As you can see, I used Dark and Lovely jet black, only for the back though. You'll see there's a piece in the front that I did not color, and that's because I have gray there, and I love my gray, so I left it. Black, bush hair, lightly blow dried. And of course, there's Sylvia in the front. I sectioned off my hair and I began. First day, again, was 10 hours. Second day, I was done. 3 more hours. Happy dance, we are done. Yes. And those are my parts. I love how the grid turned out. Oh yeah.